couple years back, actually probably 2 years ago here, I was talking with a couple of the other sign biz people about national accounts. And it kind of really sparked my interest, and I'm like, it's something we can do, we install, we do all that kind of stuff. So I was like, well, let's try this. Some of the things that we've learned in doing this is building a relationship. So be personal with your account reps. They're people too. If they're happy with your services, make sure you ask them to refer to other managers, account managers, because most of them will generally manage one brand or one company's accounts. So if you are working with that one, and like I said, ask them to refer you to other people in their group. A lot of the times, with a lot of these things, reliability is more important than the cost. So you can give them a quote, and if they know you're reliable, they may go with you over somebody else, even if their quote was cheaper than yours. Some companies are looking for the first contractor to respond with a quote. It's more about response time and less about the dollars. A lot of companies we've dealt with, right now we deal with about 8 different national account companies, and a lot of them are kind of first come, first serve. So if you get that quote back, in an hour from when they sent you the request for quote, a lot of times they'll send you a PO pretty quickly so you can get out and get on the job. With a lot of the accounts, they do pay 45, 60-day pay period. I'll tell you, it's rough for your first 45 or 60 days, but once you're really getting into the flow of this, the money's coming from 45 days, 60 days before, and it's not so bad after that. It's just the initial, first ones. This is some of the projects that we've done. Courtyard by Marriott, we didn't do the reader board in the Motel 6, we just changed the face on that one, so don't. We've done Famous Footwear, Marshalls, CVS, Walgreens, Dollar. That was actually inside San Francisco Airport. They did a complete rebranding for Dollar. We're part of the Massage Envy rebrand. We've done stuff for Nike, Harbor Freight. So a bunch of different companies that we've done, stuff for.